Hey, do you want to learn how to change currency on Booking.com mobile? In this video, I'm going to help solve a problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So currently I'm on the Booking.com mobile app, and over here on the bottom right, you're going to find your My Account icon. Click on that. Then on it, you need to scroll down. You're going to find Device Preferences. Click on it. And here you're going to find the currency. So I can click here and change it. I can scroll down and I will find all the currencies that there are available in this app. So I can switch to euro from here like that. And if I go back and then if I scroll down, I'm going to find that all the deals are available with the euro currency. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the left-hand side, you're going to find more Booking.com related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.